This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study +1 accountancy. To begin, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts of accounting, such as the accounting equation and the rules of debit and credit. Practice journal entries and ledger postings consistently to build a strong foundation. This initial step is crucial for mastering more complex topics later on. Mastering core concepts is vital. Ensure you fully understand the double entry system and the specific rules for debiting and crediting different types of accounts. Consistent practice by solving numerous problems daily will solidify your understanding. Don't forget to use sample papers to familiarize yourself with question patterns and improve problem-solving speed. To study effectively, establish a consistent schedule and stick to it. Create concise notes for each chapter, highlighting key formulas and formats, which will be invaluable for quick revision. If you encounter difficult topics, seek clarification immediately from teachers or online resources. Collaborating with peers can also provide new perspectives and reinforce learning. For exam preparation, solving previous year's question papers is essential to understand the exam pattern and common questions. Practice managing your time effectively during these mock tests. Regularly revise all accounting formulas and financial statement formats to ensure accuracy. Finally, approach your assessments with a calm and confident mindset, trusting your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.